Hey, what's going on YouTube? So this is going to be a tutorial, mainly on how to download mods for Minecraft Java Edition. Last time I did this, it was mainly using an iPad. I was basically holding it while recording it, and it wasn't very professional. So I decided that now that I have a full-on computer, it will be easier for me to make a mod review, which is less confusing and less long. So, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. I obviously have Chrome, but I use that mainly for school. So, just going to use Edge for now. They both work. They both are the same. I really don't care which one you use. So, in your search bar, wherever you have it, want to type in Minecraft Forge, and you're going to want to hit Enter. And it's going to bring you to this page. You just want to hit Forge. And here we are on the main Forge page. So basically, these are all the versions that Forge supports, up to 1.16, which is the new Nether update, all the way down to 1.1, which is the first ever version of Minecraft. So, in a personal opinion, I recommend 1.7 because it's where most mods are made for. Like most common ones being ore spawn, not enough items, superheroes mod, just a whole bunch of good ones. And if you know what Crazy Cat is, Crazy Cat actually runs off of 1.7.10. So all those juicy mods will be in this category. 1.6.4 is also a good decision if you're willing to go for some mods, or 1.9 as well if you're looking for the new combat update. But definitely, I would recommend 1.7.10. So you hit 1.7.10, not 1.7.10, pre-4, 1.7.10. So it brings you to this page, downloads for Minecraft Forge MC 1.7.10. And with that, you're going to want to click on installer for download recommended. Download latest is just like, it might screw up with your mods, but you want to hit recommended, download recommended. That's where you want to go, which is this version right here, 10.13.4.1558. So you click installer. Anything on this page, do ignore this entire bottom path. This is most likely a scam. So you want to right to the top here, you want to hit skip, and a new file will pop up in the bottom left. It's going to say this file can harm your computer. You're going to want to hit keep. It's all perfectly safe. It's going to scan it for viruses just to make sure it's not, harmful for your computer. Just to double check it, And it is completely finished when it flashes. So you hit X. I'm just going to X out of here, X out of the browser, because we're done here. So the next thing you want to do is in your anywhere on your keyboard, you want to hit the Windows key and the R key. That's going to open up this run prompt. So in the run prompt, you're going to want to type in %app data %, and you want to hit enter. Now it's going to bring up this folder. It's going to say roaming. So this basically is under your username, app data roaming. So you want to click .minecraft mods, which should be down here. If you don't have a mods folder, right click, new folder, and just title it mods, all lowercase. You double click that, and you basically want to keep this aside for now. Next thing you want to basically, if you can, open up another file explorer. Shut that down a little bit so it's a little clearer. Hopefully this isn't a distraction. I'll close that out for now. I'm going to go to downloads. It should be right here. You want to double left click on this, and it'll bring up this installer. So install servers for servers. Extract is for something completely else, something completely different. I don't really know. But you want to click install client. That's what you want to click and hit OK. And obviously you could change it if you wanted to, but I just recommend installing a TC drive. So hit OK, and it's right here. So what you want to do now is you want to drag it on your desktop, just for later. It's gonna say it's not gonna have that like parentheses one parenthesis end parenthesis, because I already have a version of this in a separate folder. I'm just using another one for the tutorial. So you can close out of your downloads tab now and open back up to your mods tab. If you again, like I said, if you lost this tab and you exit out of it earlier, Windows R .minecraft run, it should be right there. mods. Anyways, yeah, it's also right here too. So you want to drag your 1.7.10 Forge into this folder. And if you have a mod you already installed, I have the Orspawn mod already. So you know, if you could just download anything, just make sure you type in, like, for example, Lucky Block mod 1.7.10. Just make sure you add that 1.7.10 Forge at the end. So basically, you just drag your folder in here. It might be a zip file. To some people, it might not be a zip file. That might be a Java cup. Just drag it in here. It should be all good. And you can exit out of that. And your next step is obviously to trick it. So you go to Minecraft Launcher. For what you want to do to make sure you definitely run it. It probably will be like this when you run it. It'll probably be like latest release or latest snapshot, depending on what you have it as. But you want to go to installations. This can get rid of that. That's from the last tutorial. So 1.7.10. This is what you want. So if you don't know how to add that, you just hit new. You can title it Forge if you would like. It doesn't really matter. And for the version, just make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom. It will be right there. These are different versions of Forge. I believe it's this one right here, 1.558. And then you basically hit create. But I already have the Forge, so I don't really need to. So when I go down here to Forge, change the version to Forge, and click play. And let's just load up, it'll load it up. Just the usual stuff. And this is your, like, loading screen. That's what happens when you load up the game. It just does this. When you have this anvil, you know it's gonna work. And I just saw Orspawn right there, so I think it worked. I had a little bug with my screen recorder. But yeah, you just click play and just load up your world, and you should have your mods there. So yeah, you should be good. So thank you so much for watching. If you appreciated this video and you found it helpful, you would like, and if you could subscribe, that would be awesome. This is my first ever tutorial on my new PC. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in another video. Peace out.